Alright, what do you guys think's missing here? Well, first off, there's no car here, but the white one. The white car, I just got it fixed. It's running good, everything's hooked up, right? So I had it over here. You can see I ran the extension cord over here to weld the exhaust back. So I figured, welders are a little bit heavy and I have gloves and the helmet and everything to get. So I went down here and I've had multiple cars that'll actually make it up this hill just fine, even though it is a little wet. Well, I didn't realize the front tires on that car are bald. Pretty much. Like, they would be good they're still okay for the road, but not for here. So I came down here, everything was all good. And now it's stuck here. Brought it all the way up here. Went in there, got the welder and everything in it. And then I had it right here, I backed it out and it was getting stuck. So I just pulled it back right here, you can see. So that later I can just try and move this, but they've lost the key to this car. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna go try it one more time to move that car. It was like right here. And then I actually tried it 2 more times. And then the second time that kind of happened. So it's a little stuck, it ain't going nowhere. I actually didn't even think of recording it because until I texted Dylan and he was like, hey, that'd be good video content. I'm like, shit, I guess I can record it. Like, you can actually see, it's actually way wet than it seems down here. I'll probably have to let it dry and then maybe try this again. Let it dry a little bit is what I'll do. I'll let it dry a little bit. Either let it dry some, back it up right here, pull it back up there, and then I can put the rear tires, which are actually good, on the front, because it's front wheel drive and it'll make it up there no problem. Or I can try and hot wire. Oh my god, there's mud on my finger, that looked like shit. Or I can try and hot wire that car, and once this car is right up there. Yeah, I mean, this stuff is soft down here. I'm not sure. I don't think it's like really soft. I'm pretty sure I'll do it one more time just so you can see it's like legit stuck. No matter which way I try and move it, it wants to turn this way. Alright, hold on. Alright, so I don't know where I just stopped recording, but what I'm going to try and do is get it back up here on this flat ground, and then I'm gonna see about moving that car somehow. Shouldn't I? Nah, maybe not. Never mind. Well, maybe. Shouldn't I be able to? Like, I don't care if I had to get another car to pull this one back, but I should be able to disconnect transmission linkage and shift it into neutral, I would think, but I'm not sure. Anyway, my phone's pretty low, it's like on 10, and recording, that's not good. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try and connect this ratchet strap that has a rip in it, and connect it to something down under the car, and try and get it back up here versus down there. So I'm going to do that. I'll let you guys know how it goes.